अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच इमं विवस्वते योगं प्रोक्तवान् अहमव्ययं विवस्वा मनवे प्राह मनुः इक्ष्वाकवे ब्रवीत्.
The personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna, said, I instructed this imperishable science of yoga to the sun god, Vivaswan, and Vivaswan instructed it to Manu, the father of mankind, and Manu in turn instructed it to Ikshvaku.
Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtaha param tapa.
This supreme science was thus received through the chain of disciplic succession, and the saintly kings understood it in that way. But in course of time the succession was broken, and therefore the science as it is appears to be lost.
Sayevayam maya tedya yogaha proktaha puratanaha bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam ketaduttamam.
That very ancient science of the relationship with the Supreme is today told by me to you, because you are my devotee as well as my friend, and can therefore understand the transcendental mystery of this science.
Arjuna uvacha aparam bhavato janma param janma vivasvataha kathametad vijaniyam त्वमादौ प्रोक्तवानिति.
Arjuna said, the sun god Vivaswan is senior by birth to you. How am I to understand that in the beginning you instructed this science to him?
Shri Bhagavanuvacha bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavajarjuna tanyagam veda sarvani natvam vetha parantapa.
The personality of Godhead said, many, many births both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot, O subduer of the enemy.
Ajopi sang aumyayatma bhutanam ishwaropi sang prakritim swam adhisthaya sambhavami atmamayaya.
Although I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates, although I am the Lord of all living entities, I still appear in every millennium in my original transcendental form.
Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam syaham.
Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I descend myself.
Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samstha
deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion. I myself appear millennium after millennium.
Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjuna.
One who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving the body, take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna.
Vitaraga bhaya krodhaga manmaya mam upashritaga bhagavo jnana tapasa bhuta madbhavam agataha.
Being freed from attachment, fear and anger, being fully absorbed in me and taking refuge in me, many persons in the past became purified by knowledge of me, and thus they all attained transcendental love for me.
Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yogo Nama Chaturthodhyayaha.